Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Are you tired of
serious
cheerleading?
business. Now Griffin's always like, come on now.
Griffin's like, I'm over you, dude. Just play the music.
And that's what we've all been like this whole time.
Okay.
Griffin.
All right. Ready. Go. Crochet. And up. And straddle. And crochet again. And up. And pike. Go. And reach. And pike. And go. Yeah. Right leg crochet. Left leg crochet. And bend and up. Yeah. And cross and flip. And go. Yeah. And come into crucifix. And arms out, walk it around. And try to separate. Get ready, you're going to do it.
Oh gosh, my got stuck.
Alright, go. So you wrap, figure 8 foot lock. And step in. And up.
And I made it. Oh.
And roll around. And hold it. And roll it out. And air split. And come through for stag. Down. And come out. And then wrap your right foot. Hold on. Up. Roll it around. And grab. Hold on, Griffin. You're going too fast. And now gazelle. Here's your cue. You're way too fast. You got plenty of time. Zoe's looking good. That's your cue. And then up. And push. And roll it out. Keep that leg straight. And then this is your split. Shoulder in front. Yes. Get ready. Yeah.
We can go like a pool.
All right. I gotta say, Zoe, that was awesome. I know that you're playing a little bit of catch up. You're looking really good.
I just learned this week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was absent last week. So.
Pat on the back, my friend. That's a lot of work for you, and you did it.
Yeah.
Guys, that's looking good.
Yeah, like we were messing up the whole time until
I
then.
mean, we
Except
gotta
for messing up, but
We gotta clean it, but the cues are there. You guys know it, and then once it gets
when we get it
clean,
completely
it won't
through.
be so fast and frantic, right? It'll be a little bit more dancey. That's
I
what
like
we're
the
going for
twisty
next.
in the spot that we have it.
Yeah. Yeah. It's looking good.